Baking soda is used in a lot of our favorite recipes. As more people look for non-toxic and biodegradable cleaning solutions, it's also coming back in style for a variety of other uses around the house. Because of its gentle abrasiveness, odor-fighting properties, and ability to absorb oils, baking soda is a key ingredient in many beauty and cleaning products. What could be safer than a cleaning potion that also happens to be delicious? In this video, we will show you ways to use baking soda to clean everything from a clogged drain to a greasy head of hair. 1. Unclogged drains. Drano is extremely dangerous, and you don't have to take our word for it, just read the warning labels on the bottle's back. If you have a clogged drain, try this tree hugger tip: pour a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of white vinegar. Then, using the stopper or a rag, cover the drain and let it work for at least 15 minutes. If the problem persists, you can rinse and repeat without fear of harsh chemicals accumulating in your sink or tub. 2. Clean pots without scrubbing. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a few inches of water in your pot. Allow it to simmer for 15 minutes, then scrape off any crusty bits with a wooden spoon. 3. Kill bad smells. Because many bad or musty odors are caused by slightly acidic molecules, baking soda's pH balancing properties aid in odor removal. Bad odors can be reduced by keeping an open container of baking soda in your refrigerator, cabinets, or closet. It's a good idea to replace the soda every 6 months or so. 4. Freshen your mattress. The odor-fighting properties of baking soda can be put to use on your bed. Make the bed by simply sprinkling the powder on the mattress. Vacuum it up after you've changed the sheets. 5. Carpets. Sprinkle baking soda on your carpet and vacuum it up if it smells a little musty. Baking soda and water, on the other hand, can be used to scrub carpet stains out. You also can vacuum it up after the power has dried. 6. Clean the oven and the fridge. This is probably how your grandmother cleaned her oven, and it's about time this non-toxic method made a comeback. Make a paste with water and baking soda and spread it to the inside of the refrigerator or oven. Allow it to sit for at least 12 hours or overnight. Then gently scrape off all of the dried paste with a spatula, wiping away any remaining residue with a rag. 7. Counters, tiles and linoleum floors. A similar paste of water and baking soda works well on a variety of surfaces around the house. Without using harsh chemicals, clean tiles, marble, countertops, and linoleum floors.